Hello everyone and welcome to another video on how you can get started in electronics for absolutely free. And one of the websites out there that's on the internet, worldradiohistory.com. If you go to this link, you can actually get a book that is probably the most popular book out there uh, on how on getting started in electronics, and it's an old book, but electricity and electronics hasn't changed over the years. The basics of it actually. Um, so this book is still valid uh, in what is taught in the book. And the book is Getting Started in Electronics by Forrest Mims. And it's an old Radio Shack book. When you click on the link, this is what it takes you to. And you can go through the pages here. Then the contents shows you on how you can learn electricity and electronic components, semiconductors. And the more we go into it, just the basic stuff on how electricity works and electrons, how it flows, static electricity, and a lot of this stuff. If you've taken a high school physics course or class, it should be a refresher. But if you haven't, it's still written on a level in which anyone can learn. It doesn't matter if you've taken a physics class or not, or it's enough and for you to learn from how current flows, direct current, and this is the formula that you use to calculate the voltage, current, resistance, and power. AC current, measuring AC and DC, electrical circuits, series, parallel. You get more into pulses, waves, and signals. Components, wires and cable, relays, resistors, the resistor color codes. So yeah, it's 128 pages long, as you can see. Um, some of the circuits in this book you can build without buying any parts, and by doing that you can go to this website, multisim.com, create a free account, and lets you create and simulate circuits using a simulation software online. You can see, you can build circuits that you see in that book here and see the response of the circuit. So without having to spend money on a book or electronic parts, you can actually build circuits and see how it works and behaves. Uh, so this is free. You can get started for free here. There's a pricing comparison here. On the basic, you don't pay anything, and 5 components per circuit. You can build up to 4 circuits at a time, and there's 4 simulation types, and you get the basic component library, which should be enough for people getting started, hobbyists. There's other plans where you have to pay, obviously, and if you find that it's beneficial to pay for the higher plans, then go for it. You can see here I have an account and some circuits built up here. It's useful. You can create, share, and collaborate with other people out there that are building circuits online on this website. There's resources for you, and for that book, Getting Started in Electronics, if you don't want to use the free version, there's a version where you can obviously pay for it. Get the physical copy on Amazon, and it's about 19 bucks new, and you can get a cheaper one on there. So there you go. How you can get started in electronics building circuits for absolutely free, and also get a free copy of one of the most well-known books out there on getting started in electronics, and that's the name of the book by Forrest Mims.